Hello guys, in this video I will show you some bizarre things inside the Dalat railway station. It's not the typical video, so let's do it. Well, the number one is this magic pipe. So you can find this inside the railway station. So now if you look at the first moment, you cannot see the trick, no? But then the trick is this one. So now you can see how it's made the structure of this pipe. It's a cute trick, no? It's like those men who are in the street who use the same structure for be like a Buddha in the Nirvana, no? In the sky. Well, let's see more bizarre things here in the railway station, Dalat, Vietnam. Wow, they play so loud the Korean K-pop music that for sure I will have problems with this video, no? With the copyrights of this video. Well, let's see what else can we find here. More bizarre things in this station. Let's see. So in this railway station you can find clothes too, dirty clothes. Ew. So they use this like laundry too, because maybe some people lives here and maybe a dog will come and bite me soon. So now you can see this bizarre attraction of clothes, of dirty clothes. I don't want to be close of that. Yeah. Well, let's continue searching more things here. So now let's enjoy how the Korean people are having fun making pictures or videos. So I will say this is a bizarre activity too to enjoy, because you can be part of how a different culture, or maybe it's just a culture, enjoy life now. Well, they need to do something weird for be happy, so this enter to the category of bizarre too. Well, they're not crazy like the ones I saw before. So let's find something new. So looks like someone there is doing weird things, so I'm going there. And that music with all the copyrights of the world. So they are so funny making the pictures. Let's see. And if you are bored, you can hire the service of the old photographer who will charge you a lot of money for one picture. Or you can go and listen to the musician too, who is there for free, and they are selling garlic bread next to him. I really like the look of this girl. I should get married with her soon. So now it looks like everything bizarre is recorded. Well, you can see how this place makes the people even get more bizarre, more weird. They love pictures in a time that people want videos and reels now. Pictures are like from the past, but for them pictures, simple pictures are still important. And someone with a lot of bags. Or you can buy toys too. So you can come to the railway station just to buy some toys. And they can paint you too. And I don't know why the Che Guevara is there. And if you are bored waiting for your train here, you can see the kids making their K-pop choreography there. But they are super shy, so they never will start. Well, finally they start. They are not good dancers. So these are some bizarre things you can do in the railway station of Dalat if you are bored waiting for your train, like me, for a lot of hours now. In my case, 2 hours, but it's okay now. I can survive. If I find something bizarre, I will record it again. I love bizarre things, weird things. Normally it's boring. So see you guys.